Hi, this is Dr. Shubila here again. Yesterday we had discussed about the reversible and irreversible pulpitis. Today we'll talk about the chronic pulpitis. What is chronic pulpitis? It's an inflammatory response of the pulpal connective tissue to an irritant. Here in the chronic pulpitis, we can see many changes in the pulp and the periapical region. Uh, Commonly we see here some ulcerative form, that is a open form, and second is a hyperplastic form, and then we can see even a closed form, unlike under restoration. Okay, come let's talk about the ulcerative form or open form. Open form where we can see mainly due to chronic inflammation to an pulp or to exposed pulp, there the tooth may lead to an apical abscess, and sometimes we may see the surrounding granulation tissue to the abscess, that is known as a pulpal granuloma. Okay, in an hyperplastic form, that is nothing but due to chronic inflammation or due to continuous irritant to the pulp, the granulation tissue is formed within the carious cavity or carious tooth. And enclosed is like sometimes we can see in a restored tooth or in a traumatic cases, and sometimes in orthodontic due to an orthodontic forces. Due to an orthodontic forces, sometimes where we can see the in an periodontal lesions. Okay, now we'll study the etiology. Etiology is mainly if the irreversible pulpitis is not treated, or if the tooth is not treated in an initial caries. Due to long duration, it will go to the chronic pulpitis. And symptoms, the symptoms of the chronic pulpitis is the pain will be absent, and hyperplastic pulpitis is commonly seen in children and adolescents. Okay, now we'll study histopathology and the diagnosis of the chronic pulpitis. Histopathology of the chronic pulpitis is formation of the sclerotic dentin. Okay, and pulp polyp is also covered by the stratified squamous epithelium, that is derived from the gingiva. Okay, and then diagnosis is on oral examination. Patient will be patient's pain is absent, and we can see a reddish fleshy pulpal mass in the cavity. Okay, we go for an radiographic changes. As we can see in the radiographic, we can see some apical periodontitis over the apical, and some apical abscess and apical granuloma. Treatment of the chronic pulpitis. First we need to remove the pulp polyp, and then prescribe any antibiotics and painkillers or analgesics, then go for a root canal treatment. Even though if the tooth is in unrestorable stage, then go for an extraction. Okay.